Good morning, class 6. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today is Wednesday, 19th May 2021. Our topic is factorization, HCF and LCM. This is fourth chapter of your syllabus, exercise number 4B, page number 59. Today we are going to do question number 4 and 5, in which we will find the LCMs, and you will able to see some practical examples, or you can see in which type of questions you can find the LCM. Let's start with question number 4. Find the lowest number divisible by 15, 20 and 25. It means they want to know the lowest number which divide all three numbers. So, in other words, they want to know the least common multiple of the given number. To find the lowest number, we have to find the LCM. We will use factorization method to find LCM. I have told you that whether one or whether two number occur in the smaller table, you will start from the smaller number. So we will start from 2, 15 as it is, 2 tens are 20, 25 as it is. Still there is a even number, so we will go with the 2. 2 fives are 10 and 25. Now you know that 15 occur in the table of 3, so 3 fives are 15, 5 as it is, and 25. Now they all are occur in the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Only 5 is remaining, so 5, 1 as it is, again 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5. Now for LCM, you know that LCM is the product of all the given prime factors. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. Now 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 fives are 60, 60 fives are 300, right? 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30. So it means the lowest common multiple of 15, 20 and 25 is 300. 300 will be your answer. Let's move on to next question. Next is question number 5. Find the lowest number between 200 and 500 which leaves a remainder of 3 in each case when divided by 8, 10, 12 and 30. Uh, the number you will find at the end should be between 200 and 500, and first of all you have to find the lowest number. So to find lowest number, first we will find the LCM of 8, 10, 12 and 30. We will first find LCM of 8, 10, 12 and 30 combinedly through division method. Now starting with the smaller number, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 fifteens are 30. Again, there are some even numbers. So 2 twos are 4, 5 as it is, 2 threes are 6, 15 as it is. 2 ones are 2, 5, 3, 15. Still some numbers which occur on the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Now we have 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. We have 1 at the end, so it means our division completed. Now find out the LCM. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24, 24 into 5 equals to 120. But if you remember our question, our answer should be in the range of 200 and 500. But 120 is less than 200, right? So we will multiply 120 by a natural number to put it in a given range, right? Because we have to put 120 in a given range, that's why we will multiply it by 2. Now it will become 240, right? Now it is greater than 200 and less than 500. It means now we have put it in a range. After that, it is in a given range, but there is another condition that it leaves a remainder of 3 in each case. So for that, it leaves a remainder of 3. So it should leaves a remainder of 3. So we add 3. Our LCM was 120, then we multiplied by a natural number 2 to fit it in a given range. Our range was 200 to 500. Then it should leaves a remainder of 3, that's why we will add 3. So students, 243 is required number, right? Our answer is 243. Okay students, question number 8 and 10 are also included, but they are detailed questions, so we will discuss them on our next lecture. uh, Today we will also discuss MCQs, as after those two questions it will be the end of the chapter. So we will also discuss MCQs today to save time. MCQs are given on page number 60. Select the correct answer from the given option. Number 1, HCF of 2000 and 3000 is A 250, B 300, C 400, D 1000. 1000 is the right answer because 1000 twos are 2000 and 1000 threes are 3000. So highest number in which these both number occur is 1000. So 1000 is the right answer. B part LCM of 12, 24 and 48 is least common multiple of 12, 24 and 48 will be 48 because 12 fours are 48, 24 twos are 48, right? So least common multiple, uh, when you write the table of 12, it will be 12 fours are 48, 24 twos are 48 and 48 ones are 48. So their LCM will be 48. What is the smallest number which must be added to 1000 to make it divisible by 300? Answer is 1200. Why 200? Sorry, because 1000 does not occur in the table of 3, or you can say 300, but 1200 occur in the table of 300 or 3. They follow the same procedure. So 1000 plus 200 is equals to 1200, which makes it divisible by 300. So 200 will be the right answer. The HCF of two numbers is 15 and LCM is 210. What is the second number if one of them is 33? One of them is 30. In this MCQs, simple formula will be followed. LCM multiplied by HCF is equals to first number multiplied by second number. If you multiply both number whose LCM is to have been LCM and HCF has been taken, it will be equal to the product of LCM and HCF. It is given on page number 59. So in this MCQ, what will you do? You will multiply 15 by 210, means you will find the product of LCM and HCF, and then you will divide it by the given number 30. 15 multiplied by 210 divided by 30. So you will got 105. This procedure is also given on your book page number 58. The smallest number divisible by 2, 3 and 5 is, all three numbers are prime numbers, so their LCM will be equal to their product. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 is the right answer. The factors of 75 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. B is the right option. Out of the LCM and HCF of any pairs of number, which of the following statement is true? You know that LCM is always greater than HCF. Answer of a highest common factor is smaller, and the answer of lowest common multiple is bigger. You can observe in the questions. So a statement that HCF is less than LCM is true. That's all for MCQ. That's all for today. I hope you understand all the topics. If you have any problem, you can ask. Allah Hafiz.